In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book your dream travel, including flights, hotels, and car rentals. This complete journey will guide you step by step to ensure you can make all your travel plans effortlessly. Let's start by planning your trip, which is the crucial first step. Begin by determining your destination. Think about where your heart truly desires to go. Somewhere tropical, perhaps, or maybe a bustling city. Once you've nailed down the where, it's time to decide on your travel dates. Try to be flexible if possible, as this can help you land better deals. Consider your budget next. This should encompass not only flights and hotels, but also transportation, meals, and activities. Finally, don't forget to consider who will be joining you on this adventure. Are you traveling solo, with a partner, or with your family? Having painted a clear picture of your trip, let's dive into booking flights. Head over to popular flight comparison websites like Booking.com. Start by entering your departure city, your eager destination, and your intended travel dates. Here's a tip. Consider using flexible date options or looking for the cheapest month to get the best deals. Compare prices across various airlines and filter your options based on preferences like nonstop flights, preferred departure times, and even specific airlines if you have a loyalty program or a favorite crew. Moving on, once you've found the perfect flight, it's time to look for a place to stay. Navigate to the section for hotels and enter your destination and travel dates, just like you did for your flight details. This is all about finding a home away from home that suits your desires and budget. Perhaps you want a beachfront villa or maybe a hotel with a vibrant cityscape view. Pay attention to location, reviews, and amenities to ensure your stay is as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Now let's talk car rentals, which are optional but can make certain trips much more convenient. If you're planning on exploring a destination at your own pace, consider booking a car rental through the same platform. Simply enter the same destination and dates as your flights and hotels to find options that align with your plans. One of the great conveniences of using platforms like Booking.com is that you can book flights, stays, and car rentals all in one go. By consolidating everything under one platform, you can manage your itinerary more easily, keep track of your bookings, and often find bundled deals that can save you some cash. Once everything is set, it's time for the final step, confirming your bookings. Be sure to review all your choices carefully. Double check dates, traveler details, and prices to ensure everything is perfect. Confirming your bookings will bring you one step closer to that much anticipated getaway. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully booked your dream travel plans. Happy travels!